We got this Briskmore mirror for bicycle, scooter, and e-bikes, and they go on the handlebar. There should be a way to modify it and interchangeable if you have more than just one scooter. And you could probably get yourself a clamp and a different screw and have it on a wing nut on there so it could come off and just interchange it. We're going to show you how to put it on the scooter. I have one on the Cannondale Adventure 2, and we'll show you what it looks like. Here's the Cannondale Adventure 2 Briskmore mount, adjustable in any angle that you want. You basically can put it all the way forward and adjust your mirror and get the angle you want. Now it doesn't fold down this way over here. You can bring it out and then fold it up and down. It kind of stops there. But it does a good job capturing everything. The thing I don't like is that it's angled and narrower on the bottom and wider on top. They could have made it rounded like this over here on this side so you could see more of the street and everything. That's just my opinion. And it folds down underneath, out of the way, and you can make it just as tight as you want, permanent or loose. Well, let's show you how to put it on. You ride on the left side of the road, you get yourself a right side mirror. We ride on the right side of the road and we get ourselves a left mirror. You know what I mean. I put mine on the left so this way I stay on the right hand side of the road. This is round. It's got a little clip in there. As you can see, it comes out and it's got two notches that will grab. And all I need to do now is take this little ring. I slide it around, get it on there. And then I take the supplied Allen key that they have. They also give you a microcloth. I'm going to use my T that came with the scooter. And I'm going to move this around. For the first time, you loosen this up. This is super tight from the factory. So you could get in here and take this off. Once the ring comes off, then you're able to slide this over the handlebar. And you can see the two notches that are in there. So all you need to do now is face this part to the front. Let the notch sit in there so it moves around. I apologize for my hands being in the way. And squeeze it. And then come here and start to tighten down. Before tightening down, adjust it to where you want it to be at. And then start to crank down on it. The problem here is this arm may not be long enough for the scooter. It goes more into the center. So I want to make sure that everything I have looks good. I'm able to rotate it around, and there I go. Now you don't have it like this. You have it out far and then over. So this is going to be raised up. I got my clearance, and that is good. Now I start to tighten down. I could crank down here and crank down here to lock it in place, but if I hit something, everything's going to move. So I want this to move with me. I don't want it super tight or super loose. I want it just enough that I got movement. Oh, I'm not going to be riding today, but this is where I stand right here. And I am going to bring it out and do my adjustments and say, hey, my arm blocks part of the screen. Not a big deal because I need to keep my arm in. And there I go. I am pretty happy with this. I'm able to see as I ride what's out there. I could bring this out just a little more like that, and there I go. So this way when I change lanes, my mirror works fine. My hand is not in the way. I'm able to hit the bell, the turn signals, good to go. I just need to make this interchangeable. If the company could supply another one of these, then I could basically take this off and bring it to the next one with the arm. I'll probably just buy a third one and use it for my e-bike. With my e-bike here, I may want to just fold this in, bring this in so I don't interfere with it, or just swing it around out of the way. And that I like. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to somebody out there with the Briskmore mirror. If you want to take the mirror and swing it underneath, you can do so as well. It's got a lot of different angles if asked. If I wanted to put this on the opposite side, I can. I could rotate it around. And then I would have that problem solved where the bottom is curved down more. So I could probably go get myself the next one a right angle and have the one I want. And that is the answer to the roundness or the angle being too wide on top. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy your Briskmore mirror. Have a great day, everybody.